Hi, Lipia here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn "A Mighty Fortress Is Our God." The words are from Martin Luther, and it's a very traditional hymn, and kind of somewhat difficult as well in its own way. I tried to simplify the chords as much as I could, but let's try it. It's in the key of C, and the usual C chords that you need are again C major, F major, G, A minor, D minor, and these are the kind of more special chords, the A major and the D major and the E major. Okay, those are the chords you need. Let's work through the first verse though. This hymn is in double or quadruple time, so we'll be using our standard strum down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Almighty fortress is our God, a bulwark never failing. Oh, helper he amid the flood of mortal ills prevailing. For still our ancient foe doth seek to work us woe. His crafts and power are great, and armed with cruel hate. On earth is not his equal. So grab a song sheet, we'll play through all four verses once through. A mighty fortress is our God, a bulwark never failing. Oh, helper ye amid the flood of mortal ills prevailing. For still our was A Mighty Fortress is Our God. It's a little bit harder to play, but again, I think with some practice, you should be able to do it too. Of course, it's the key of C. It's a little bit high for my voice, so bear the squeaking in the recording. Hope you enjoy this as much as I did. See you next time.